I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel yema. We'll dive right into creating these delightful Filipino treats, combining a rich, creamy custard center with a perfectly crisp, golden caramel shell. This process is surprisingly straightforward, requiring just a few common ingredients and about 30 minutes of active cooking time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this sweet, homemade confection. To begin our caramel yema journey, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, which forms the sweet base of our custard. Next, separate 3 to 5 large egg yolks. These provide the classic rich flavor and help thicken the mixture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter for a smooth consistency. Finally, for that irresistible crunchy coating, have 1 cup of granulated white sugar on hand. Now let's create the creamy yema custard. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a non-stick pan over low heat. Then, pour in your 14-ounce can of condensed milk and the 3 to 5 egg yolks. Stir this mixture continuously for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's crucial to keep stirring until the custard becomes very thick and starts to pull away from the sides of the pan. Once done, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. For the grand finale, let's add that signature caramel coating. Once your yema custard is completely cool, roll it into 1-inch balls. In a separate, clean pan, melt 1 cup of granulated white sugar over medium heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Carefully dip each chilled yema ball into the hot caramel using a toothpick, ensuring it's fully coated. Place these glistening candies on greased parchment paper to cool and harden. Then enjoy your homemade caramel yema.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.